Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to generate a one-time appointment booking link using GoHighLevel workflows. This is perfect for cases when you've already had a call with a lead, but they want to book another one. Instead of sharing a permanent link, you can create a one-time link that expires after use. Go to Automations, Create Workflow, Start from scratch. Name your workflow something like Generate One-Time Booking Link. Set your trigger. For example, Form Submitted. Select the appropriate form
that I'm going to show you. So let's go to automation. What you can do is, let me just go to one of my folders and create a workflow real quick. So I'll just call it Generate One-Time Booking Link. So let's say you are checking if the form is submitted, and the form is, let's say, dentist 3-step funnel form. So if they submit this form from your ad or organically from Google or your website or somewhere else.
Add an action. Generate one-time booking link. Choose the correct calendar. That's it. The link is now generated.
If this form is submitted, you can just go ahead, do all your other stuff like assign to user, send internal notification, add a contacts tag, add a task, do all those stuff. I'm not going to show you that and waste your time. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do generate one-time booking link. So I'm going to show how that works. So it's going to ask you which calendar are you generating this one-time link for. So I only have one single calendar in this account. So I'm going to select that one and that's it. So once I generate that, now it's generated. So form submitted, all those other actions you add, they're executed. Now it's come to this. Now that one-time link has been generated.
Add an email action. Write a quick message like, click here to book your consultation. Insert the generated booking link using the correct dynamic field.
And the workflow has it, but how do you send it? So for that, you need to do an email. So let's go to an email and fill this out from name from email. So I could say, here's your booking link. So I'll just do hi. Let's just do hi contact first name. Oh, there you go. Here is your booking link. Or I'll just say click here to book your consultation. That's just a one-time booking link. That's a free booking link. Let me just generate it first. So I'll just do here and then I'll go back, generate one-time booking link. So if you don't do this action, if you don't have this action added before the email action, it won't be activated. So you won't be able to use that. So I'll just do this, cut it, and then put it here. And then just new window. So this makes sense, again, when you are hopping on sales calls with leads, and if they're not qualified, you don't want to waste your time on that. And also if you are doing just one free consultation session. So if you share this one-time booking link, they've had their free consultation, and then they come back, they click on this link won't work anymore. So that's how you generate a one-time booking link and send it to them.
Once the lead uses the link, it won't work again. This is perfect for offering free consultations or avoiding repeated bookings from unqualified leads. And that's how you generate a one-time booking link using GoHighLevel. This simple automation is a game changer for managing appointments efficiently. No more unnecessary follow-ups or overbooked calendars. Give it a try and let me know how it works for you in the comments.